What's up guys, welcome to Spyder Auto. Right now I'll show you how to switch out these old OEM taillights with new Spyder taillights, and it'll fit from 2007 to 2013. So let's get started and pop the tailgate open. Okay, now with your Phillips screwdriver, you can remove these two screws. And you can grab it by the bottom firmly and just pop it off. And you have these three sockets. Go ahead and unplug all of them. So we're going to unplug the bulb for the brake light and signal light. We're going to keep the reverse light, and we are going to unplug the bottom parking light. Alright guys, so now we can get ready to install our Spyder tail light. This one has the clear lens with the black housing and the LED bar. And on the back, it comes with a few extra accessories here. Has extra plastic inserts in case you break these off when you pop off your OEM tail light. You can use these, and it also comes with this circle thing here attached to the housing. You can just remove that. And what this circle thing is for is a protector for this this bottom parking light socket here. We're not going to be using this, so we're going to use this circle protector to protect that socket from the weather. Okay, now we can install the reverse light bulb onto the bottom one. Just line it up in place. Turn it clockwise to seal it, and then the parking light, brake light, signal light socket. Make sure the black wire is with the black wire, and you could insert it into the socket and tuck your wires in to the housing, and then just turn it clockwise to seal it. So since the plastic inserts are still intact, we're going to use them, and we're just going to pop these off. You can either pop these off by hand, or you can get a panel popper and carefully pop it off. So now that we removed the plastic inserts, we are ready to install the tail light. So just go ahead and tuck this bottom socket away and just line up the two prongs to the inserts. So make sure your tail light housing is lined up with the body, and we can install the two Phillips screws. Now that you're done with that side, let's do the same process to the other side. So now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the tailgate. Now we can test the functions, make sure everything works properly so we can safely get back on the road.